Everyone, I'm Amelia Schrader from the Education Department at Explore and More, and I'm here to share another one of my favorite stories with you. This story comes from our Person-Centered Services Community Treehouse, where we've created a magical Western New York woodland. Also, as we enter spring, we're talking about animals coming out of hibernation. So my story today, Bear Snores On, by Karma Wilson and Jane Chapman, is a perfect way to remember our Person-Centered Services Community Treehouse, as well as talk about what's happening with some of our animal friends here in Western New York right now. Bear Snores On. In a cave in the woods, in his deep, dark lair, through the long, cold winter, sleeps a great brown bear. Cuddled in a heap, with his eyes shut tight, he sleeps through the day, he sleeps through the night. The cold winds howl and the night sounds growl, but the bear snores on. A teeny bitty mouse, pitter-pat, tiptoe, creep crawls in the cave from the fluff cold snow. Mouse squeaks, too damp, too dank, too dark, so he lights wee twigs with a small hot spark. The coals pip, pop, and the wind doesn't stop, but Bear snores on. Two glowing eyes sneak peek in the den. Mouse cries, "Who's there?" And the hare hops in. "Oh, Mouse," says Hare, "long time no see." So they pop white corn and they brew black tea. Mouse sips wee slurps, Hare burps big burps, but the bear snores on. A badger scuttles by, sniffs, sniffs at the air. "I smell yummy yums, perhaps we can share." "I've brought honey nuts," Badger says with a grin. "Let's divvy them up, cozy down, and dig in." They nibble and they munch with a chew, chop, crunch, but the bear snores on. A gopher and a mole tunnel up through the floor. Then a wren and a raven flutter through the door. Mole mutters, "What a night! What a storm!" twitters one, and everybody clutters in the great bear's den. They tweet and they twitter and they chat and they chitter, but Bear snores on. In a cave in the woods, a slumbering bear sleeps through the party in his very own lair. Hare stokes the fire, Mouse seasons stew, and the small pepper thick makes the bear achoo! He blows and he sneezes, and the whole crowd freezes. And the bear wakes up. Bear gnarls and he snarls, Bear roars and he rumbles, Bear jumps and he stomps, Bear growls and he grumbles. "You've snuck in my lair and you've had all the fun, but me, I was sleeping and I've had none." And he whimpers and moans, he wails and he groans, and then Bear blubbers on. Mouse squeaks, "Don't fret, don't futz, look, see, we can pop more corn and brew more tea." Bear gulps, Bear gobbles, he sighs with delight, then he spins tall tales through the blistering night. When the sun peeks up on a crisp, clear dawn, Bear can't sleep, but his friends snore on. The end. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this story as much as I did. You can head to our website, exploreandmore.org, and click on the Sanity Savers button for a fun art project that goes along with this story and can teach your kids a little bit more about hibernation. We look forward to seeing you guys next time. Enjoy!